Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device supports photo widgets and that your launcher allows them. This prevents surprises later. Once done, unlock the phone and long press an empty home screen area to open the Widgets panel. Scroll to the Photos or Gallery widget entries or your chosen third-party provider, because you'll need to pick the correct widget size next. Make sure to tap and hold the widget you want so you can place it on the home screen without losing your current layout. Drag the selected widget onto the home screen and release it where you want it. You'll see resize handles if the widget supports different sizes. Once placed, tap the widget to enter configuration. Choose albums, individual photos, or live slideshow options depending on the provider. Configure refresh cadence, transition effects, and any permission prompts. Granting storage or photos access is required so images display. After adjusting, confirm settings and exit. The widget should now populate with your chosen photos. Finish by checking that the widget shows the correct images and refreshes as expected. If it's blank, tap it to reopen settings and reselect the album. If permissions were denied earlier, grant storage or photos access in settings so the app can read images. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the widget app cache or remove and re-add the widget and restart the device if problems persist. This resolves most sync and display glitches quickly and gets your photo widget working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.